Albuquerque is known as the hot air ballooning capital of the world, and chartering your balloon flight is easy all year round with several companies to choose from. One popular company is called Rainbow Riders, and their meeting point is about a 15-minute drive from the main areas of Albuquerque. Shortly after arrival, you'll be driven to the launch point to start the balloon inflation process. Just before sunrise, around 100 balloons begin drifting skyward from all across the Albuquerque Basin. The first half of your flight will feature close-up views of the Rio Grande River and surrounding nature preserve. If you're lucky, you might spot some wildlife. If you're really lucky, your pilot might set the basket down right on top of the river. The next part is not for the faint of heart. When pilots hit the gas and soar thousands of feet over the cityscape, the sun beaming over the Sandia Mountains and lighting up the land for miles in every direction. Reserve your tickets in advance at rainbowriders.com and check out visitalbuquerque.org for more information about ballooning in the Duke City. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Go ABQ for more videos about things to do in and around Albuquerque, New Mexico.